Investing for beginners can be a daunting concept. Knowing how to invest money today to reap benefits in the future is an essential skill, often lacking in novice investors. Money that sits idle in a bank account cannot ensure your financial well-being in the long run. Do you want to learn how to make your money work for you? In this video, we will discuss what investments are and how they work, different types of investment, risks associated with investing, and how to start investing from scratch, and much more. What are investments? Investments are the purchase of an asset with the aim of making a profit in the future by increasing its value. It is essential to remember that when we invest, we always expect the value of the asset to rise, and consequently, our investment, which can be time, money, and even effort, will not only be recovered but will also generate a profit. Today, you can invest in a vast selection of assets, including stocks, index funds, ETFs, bonds, commodities, currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, real estate, and more. The main goal of investing is to make your money work and generate income instead of simply holding cash. Investing for beginners: why you should start investing. People invest their money for various reasons: to grow their wealth in the long term, pay for their children's education, save up capital for their own business, achieve financial goals, or simply increase their income. Instead of keeping your money under your mattress or in bank deposits with almost zero interest rates, it is recommended to consider the following main reasons to take advantage of investment opportunities. Higher returns compared to almost zero interest rates on bank deposits. Protection against inflation: for example, during an economic recession, many investors invest their funds in gold, also known as a protective asset. Opportunities to grow capital and achieve financial goals. Creating a passive income stream through dividend payments. The ability to diversify your investment portfolio. Very high liquidity of assets: you can buy and sell assets in seconds. Due to high liquidity, investment costs, spreads and commissions become low. Low initial investments: the minimum deposit for an Invest MT5 account from Admirals is only €1. Of course, there are many more reasons to invest, as each potential investor has their own personal goals. How much money do you need to start investing from scratch? There is no one right answer to this question, as it depends on four main factors: personal abilities, financial goals, an acceptable level of risk, and your investment horizon. Your future investment opportunities are highly individual, so it is impossible to determine the exact amount to start investing. You should determine your investment horizon and think about what period of time you can allocate funds without urgently needing them. Based on this, you can decide which type of investment to focus on, short-term or long-term. At the same time, you need to determine your financial goals. Why do you need additional capital? Perhaps you want to buy a house or a car, finance your child's education, start your own business, or develop an existing one. The next aspect is your risk tolerance, in other words, the level of risk you can accept. It may depend on factors such as current income, savings, expenses, and financial obligations, such as mortgage payments. There are many different assets for investment that are suitable for different purposes, so everyone can choose the option that suits them best. To understand which assets you will be comfortable working with, as well as to practice investing and hone your skills in financial markets, use a demo account. It is completely free and does not carry any risks to your funds, as you trade with virtual currency. As an investor, you have an incredible number of options for where to invest your money. It's important to carefully consider each one, and we're here to help you navigate the variety of investment options available on financial markets. Here are the different types of investments you can make based on the tools you'll use. Investing in stocks. Investing in gold and other commodities. Investing in real estate. Investing in stock indices. Investing in ETFs. Investing in the Forex market. Investing in cryptocurrencies. Investing in derivatives. Investing in bonds. So, whether you're a novice investor or an experienced one, take the time to evaluate your options and choose the one that's right for you. Investing in stocks for beginners. Stocks represent ownership in a public company. Investing in stocks for beginners. Stocks represent ownership in a public company. By buying a stock, you become a shareholder in the company. There are two ways to potentially profit from investing in stocks. Capital appreciation, buying stocks at a lower price and selling at a higher price. Dividend payments, you receive a share of the company's profits in the form of dividends. This can provide investors with a stable source of income. While there are many different types of stocks, most investments attract leading companies in their industry. Here are just a few of them. Tesla, #TSLA. Facebook, #FB. Apple, #AAPL. Amazon, #AMZN. Alphabet, Google's parent company, #GOOG. Microsoft, #MSFT. Coca-Cola, #KO. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it can also be intimidating if you're just starting out. However, with some basic knowledge and a little bit of research, you can start investing in stocks with confidence. Stocks represent ownership in a public company. When you buy shares of a stock, you become a part owner of that company. There are two ways you can make money from investing in stocks: capital gains and dividends. Capital gains are made when you sell a stock for a higher price than what you paid for it. Dividends, on the other hand, are a portion of a company's earnings that are distributed to shareholders. Dividends can provide a steady source of income for investors, while capital gains can help you grow your investment portfolio. One of the most important things to remember when investing in stocks is to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of different stocks from different sectors, as well as other types of investments like bonds and mutual funds. By diversifying your portfolio, you can help minimize your risk and maximize your potential for returns. When choosing which stocks to invest in, it's important to do your research. Look for companies that are leaders in their industry, with strong financials and a history of consistent growth. Some examples of top-performing stocks include Tesla, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, the parent company of Google, Microsoft, and Coca-Cola. While there's no guaranteed way to make money in the stock market, investing in stocks can be a smart way to build long-term wealth. Just remember to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and stay patient. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint.